Hi developers, in this video I'll be teaching you how to create an virtual environment in Python. So yeah, let's get to the terminal so you can see in the screen. So yeah, first prerequisite is that you have to have the Python. So you can check if you have the Python version. So it says that I have Python 3.9.6. Yeah, and then to create a virtual environment, just do Python 3 venv and then your environment name. So robot env is my environment name. Yeah, it has been created now, so you can check it like doing ls. So you can see that robot env. So once your environment is created, you can activate this by using this command source virtual source and your virtual environment name, that is robot env slash, it has a folder bin and then it has a activate. So you can see in the screen it has been activated out here. Now you can install n number of packages out here. So it's a kind of isolated environment from your system. Okay, so to deactivate this virtual environment, you just need to write deactivate and hit enter. Yeah, cool. So this was the video how to create a virtual environment. Thank you.